Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, I am germophobic, and having people coming into my house to do any work was actually pretty stressful for me because I felt bad asking them to take off their shoes. Well, I fixed that and I went ahead and found these disposable shoe covers from OGUNOKI. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Well, I love these baggies or these shoe covers because they do the job. They are pretty big. Look at that. They're pretty big in size. So whatever size that person might be, I think that these ones will fit them pretty good. So I love that they actually give you all that extra space. They are pretty good quality and they help me to keep my house clean and I don't have to feel bad. All I got to do is just give whoever comes into my place to work on the internet or plumbing or an electrician, I can just give them their set and they're good to go. So if you're like me and you don't want to, maybe you feel embarrassed to ask someone to take off their shoes or whatever the case that might be, well, I will definitely recommend these shoe covers from OGUNOKI. But hey, that is just my point of view.